All right, all right. Well, hello there. I want to share with you all how to actually make a few transfers from your DSJ account over to an app like Trust, and then how to move your money from Trust to an app like Coinbase or a platform like crypto.com so that you can actually move that money back into your bank account if you want to make a transaction of some sort. So let's test this out and we can kind of show you how to do this. So here we're on our Trust wallet, and you see we've already moved our money from our account, DSJ, and now we have it in our wallet, our main wallet, and this one happens to be Trust. Now we need to take our money from here and move it to like Coinbase. So we would take this right here, would push USDT ERC20. This is what Coinbase actually accepts. It does not accept USDT TRC20. So we'll use the ERC format or network of USDT. So we would click on the send button, and it's asking us for the wallet address or the address name from our Coinbase. So we need to go and get our wallet address from Coinbase. So we would go to Coinbase. Close all of these apps down. And we'll find Coinbase now. We'll open up our Coinbase that you see here. And now what we would do is go select our crypto. Okay. We'll let it do its opening of the device here. We'll close that down. We don't need that right now. So we'll click on crypto. And we need to find the wallet address for USDT ERC20. So if we don't see that here, what we can do is we can search, and we can certainly search for it because we may not have any of that token just yet. Okay. So what we can do, ladies and gentlemen, is we can go ahead and simply find out where it's at. And we can go here and go to USDT, which is also called Tether. Okay, so we can go to Tether. All right. And from Tether, then now what we can do is we can actually transfer. We can click the transfer button, and we're going to receive crypto from another crypto wallet. Okay, so we're going to select that there. Okay, and it gives us three options here that they accept on Coinbase. They accept Ethereum, they accept Arbitrum, and they also accept Polygon. Well, we don't use Arbitrum and we don't use Polygon on DSJ, but we do use the Ethereum network. So we'll select the Ethereum network, and it's giving me the actual network here code. Okay, so it says use the Ethereum network. Using the wrong network could mean losing your funds. So when in doubt, receive a small amount first. Okay, just say got it. We'll go on. And you can see right here, it shows you here the actual address. I can copy it to my clipboard, take it back to Trust and paste it there. Or I can go back to my Trust and just show it right here and scan it. Okay. So I can go to copy. Okay. So I can copy it. It says address copy. I can go back to Trust and I can paste it here just like that. Okay. And there it is. All right. It hasn't shown up yet, but it's actually on my phone. Let's see if we can read. There it is. It just shows up. So now I can put in the dollar amount and I can make the transaction. Or I can do one other thing. I can go back. I can now say, I want to scan that QR code. So I can scan that QR code, right? I can click that, and then I would just go hover over the QR code that you just saw on Coinbase, if I was using another device like a laptop or another cell phone, I can scan that QR code. Okay. So either way, whichever way is easiest, both work very, very well. Okay. So we'll go back and paste this here. All right. And let's say we want to test this with maybe $50. We want to send to Coinbase. We'll put 50.00 and then we can say next. Okay. Now it tells me what my fees are, and then it just says confirm. Okay. It takes out roughly $1. We click on confirm. It's processing. Okay. Process may take a second. On the blockchain is underway. This may take a few minutes, and I can even see the transaction details. Okay. So as you can see there, it's taking some money out. Okay.